how to make a Christmas cracker in less than a minute. It's a challenge, but we can do it. All you need, first of all, are the contents. So we need to make a paper hat, first of all. Here you'll need a colour piece of paper, fold it in half, cut it so you have 2 strips like this, then tape it each end, so then you have nearly a crown. Now to make the pointy bits of the crown like this, all you need to do is fold it again, cut a triangle out, and there you have your crown. Oh my goodness. Now let's make the actual Christmas cracker. So you'll need 2 toilet holders. Cut 1 toilet holder down the middle, so then you'll tape it a little bit smaller than this so it can fit inside like that. Then all you need to do is get some tissue paper. You're going to roll the toilet paper holder up like this, tuck it inside like that, put some ribbon around the end. You have 2 parts like this, and there you have your holder. Now to put inside, we need the paper hat. Here I made a tissue paper hat. I'll put that inside. A joke. Here I have a joke. What goes? Oh, oh, oh. Santa walking backwards. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, oh, oh. Put that inside there. Put some candy inside for our students. We need candy, lots of candy. And there we have, ta-da, the Christmas cracker. Have a go. It was great fun with your students. In 1 minute we made it. Merry Christmas and be theatrical.